In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video in 4K in Canva. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the project you want to download. Give it a quick look to make sure everything is exactly how you want it, because the higher the resolution, the more clearly every detail will show. Once you're ready, head to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the export options. From the Share menu, choose Download. A panel will open with settings for your file. By default, Canva might suggest different formats, so make sure you change the file type to MP4. This is the standard video format that plays well on most devices and platforms, and it's the right choice for high-resolution video exports. Now focus on the quality section. You'll see a slider bar that controls the output resolution. Drag that slider all the way to the right to set it to the maximum quality. When 4K is available for your project, this setting corresponds to 3840 by 2160 pixels. In practical terms, that means a much sharper, cleaner image with more detail, which is especially noticeable on large screens or when your video includes fine text and graphics. Before you download, here are a few quick tips. Exporting in 4K will create a larger file, so downloads can take longer and use more storage. That's normal. If your original clips, images, or animations are lower resolution, Canva will still export at 4K, but those elements won't magically gain detail, they'll simply be upscaled. So start with the highest quality assets you can. Also, rendering at maximum quality is more processor intensive, so give Canva a moment to prepare the file. The progress bar will keep you updated. A stable internet connection helps ensure the final file transfers smoothly to your device. When everything looks good, click Download. Canva will render your video at the settings you selected and then begin the download automatically. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember. Once it finishes, play the video back to confirm the crispness and clarity you expect from 4K. On a 4K display, you'll really notice the difference. But even on standard screens, the higher quality master gives you more flexibility if you plan to edit or share it across platforms. And that's it. Open your project, go to Share, select Download, switch the file type to MP4, push the quality slider all the way to the right for 4K, and hit Download. Easy as that.